Hey guys, like what you see, so there's something Bible because Ose Igara. So Ose Igara is that first week or first 2 weeks when students are back in school and everywhere is so on point. Like you're passing through students room and everywhere is just like so that's also you like yeah, they've just bought food stuff like if it's apart I've not catch them. So we're going to making Ose Igara noodles in a pot of boiling water, add in your noodles. Then after some minutes, check if it is cooked enough. I love my crunchy, so this is good enough for me. Then after this, drain. So in another pot, add in your vegetable oil. Please let this oil eat well. Let the oil. Can you see my own? Is doing popo popo. Let the oil eat in well enough. Then add in your onions. Saute this together. Like give it a good mix. Bring out the flavor of the onions. I love onions so much. So bring out the flavor of the onions. Give that a very good mix. And after that, go in with your pepper mix. I use tomatoes and pepper for this because my roommate doesn't love pepper too much. So I use tomato and pepper. Then after this, go in with your Indomie noodle seasoning. Then add it. Then give that a very good stir. Give it a good stir so that the seasoning will go evenly. Then after this, add in your noodles, your parboiled noodles. Add in your noodles. Then give that a very good mix. So use that. So my style ingredients is my ponmo from Tito B's place. Guys, this ponmo tastes so lovely. So I added it into it. And guys, it took my meal from 100 to 1000. Then I added some parsley. I love being extra, right? I added some parsley and scent leaves. And guys, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I love it. So follow me this kitchen for more recipes. Thank you.